You are here. That means you have a dream, you have a goal. But every time you sit to study, somehow your energy gets pulled in 100 different directions. You know what? For the longest time, I considered myself as someone who can't focus. Until I realized the problem was not with me. The real problem was I never trained my mind to manage distraction or simply avoid it. Namaste all, welcome to my channel. I am Shalini. I'm going to walk with you in your journey. But before we try to fix distraction, we need to first understand this. There are two types of distraction, internal and external. Internal distractions are those that lies inside our mind. For example, what if I fail this exam again? Should I just give up? What if my parents get me married soon? I don't know where my life is going. I can't do this anymore. These are thought loops. They just don't knock the door. They show up every time you sit to study and your energy is gone. Now coming to external distraction, the ones that lies outside you. For example, constant phone notification, watching Netflix, background noise at home, people calling you while you are studying, Instagram reel that were just for 5 minutes. But here's the truth nobody told us. We can't just manage distraction by deleting our social media apps. We have to train our mind and nervous system to stay grounded and to behave rightly when we have distractions around us. This time onwards, whenever you are with your books and you unconsciously pick up your phone, before opening any app, just pause and ask 3W. First, what for? What was the purpose I picked up my phone right now? I just got to call my friend. Second, why now? What was the emotional trigger which made you picked up the phone? For example, I simply got disconnected with my books or I found it difficult. कुछ भी reason हो सकता है. Third, what else? Right now, if you use your phone, calling your friend or scrolling social media, what is the opportunity cost you have to pay for it? You will be losing your time. Somewhere you will be giving your life on a phone. If you want now to take control of this distracted world of social media, every time you catch yourself with social media app, please tell, this is not going to help me if I watch this reel, something which is not aligned with my goal or with my dreams. I am just making someone else's dream come true. No content creator, no influencer are free for you. They are giving this time on recording, on entertaining things for you just because they are being paid for it and it's their dream which on which they are working. Before giving your time to them, please question 3W. Please stop yourself. I request you not to allow social media, your cell phone to take away your dreams from you. Let's try to fix our internal distraction. Internal distractions are the thoughts, feelings that arises within us and it tries to pull us away from something we are trying to do. I already mentioned feeling anxious, I'm not in the mood, what if I fail this exam again? Maybe I should just scroll for 5 minutes to feel better. These are the signs of internal distractions. You know what? These are just another way to pick up, to steal our energy, our intention. And the best part is, for your internal distraction, you cannot blame anyone. You are totally liable for this. How I escaped from internal distractions, I kept a small diary with me. And for a week, I started observing what are the same internal dialogue, internal trigger point I keep repeating to myself. And for example, I want to record a video and immediately I get a voice, it's difficult for you. I started noticing this is the voice which is holding me back, which is not allowing me to record myself. I started writing all such internal dialogues which made me stop from taking action, or when I'm taking action, it is distracting me. It's pulling away my energy. You have to first catch the triggering point. Second, you have to slow down. You have to set an anchor. You are sitting with your books and suddenly you get a emotional feeling, thought, some trigger from inside. You need to pinch yourself and say, what is this? This thought, no, it is internal distraction. I need to take control of it. You have to pinch and remind yourself, this is not going to help me. I have to work for my dreams. I have to make my today's target achievable. You can't afford to allow these sort of distractions to take away, to kill your dreams, trust me. And you have simple techniques. You have to be aware, conscious efforts lena padega with respect to your external and internal dialogues both. As per study titled A Wandering Mind is an Unhappy Mind, as per one of the research by Harvard psychologist, it is found that students spends nearly 47% of their waking hours thinking about something other than what they are doing. This is one of the biggest form of internal distraction. And based on Harvard's research, why it matters for students. Internal distractions now weakens concentration, reduces memory power, and impairs decision-making ability. Next time onwards, whenever you catch yourself with an internal distraction, instead of mindlessly picking up your phone or doing things to escape your distraction, you have to catch yourself. You have to set an anchor by pinching any part of your body. Now you have to do a 1 minute focus reset. All you need to do is close your eyes, breathe in for the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, breathe out for the count of 4. Repeat it again. Breathe in with the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, breathe out at the count of 4. When you are breathing out, breathe out all the distractions, all the internal triggering points that is holding you back. For the one last time, take a deep breath in with the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release at the count of 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you have to remind and say, I call back my focus to now. I call back my focus, my energy to now. I call back, I call back, I call back my focus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you want to be successful in life and start winning your everyday, you first need to learn to break up from your phone. Always remember, nobody is available free of cost to entertain you. They are being paid for their dreams. They are working for their dreams, not for you only. Second, whenever you catch yourself with the same negative loop of internal talk, stop, set an anchor, remind your brain. Reminding, our brain loves repetition. The more you make it believe that this is something your reality, the more easy it will be to win your distraction. Please do this. Do subscribe to my channel. Let the magic unfold for you. Stay connected forever.